Greetings folks, I have a very interesting little bit of kit from SpeedyBee and RunCam to show you today. This is a SpeedyBee F4 all-in-one flight controller. I'm not a quad flyer, so I can't really show you this in use on a quad, but this is very interesting. It's a very nice looking little flight controller board. The big trick with this one is that it has an inbuilt Bluetooth module. So you can do all your setting up via an iPad or a phone, Android phone, iPhone, out in the field, which means you don't have to take your laptop to configure your quad, or hopefully your plane in the future, out in the field. You can use your phone, you can use your iPad via Bluetooth. That is most impressive. SpeedyBee has been selling external Bluetooth modules over the last couple of months, but this board now has it integrated, built in. So the Bluetooth module connects to the SpeedyBee app, which you download from the App Store or the Android Store or whatever it's called. And once you've powered up the flight controller board, it will automatically connect via Bluetooth to the app. You can run through the app in demo mode. You don't actually have to connect up to get it running. And it has all the stuff. I'll show you this in a bit more detail in a minute when we get the board powered up and actually connected up. First off, let's talk about the board a little bit. So the built-in Bluetooth module runs on iOS 10 or greater, or Android 4.3 or greater. My old iPhone 4S can't do it. My wife's iPhone 6, no problems at all, and this iPad as well. The board can provide 3.3, 4.5, 5 and 9 volts. The 5 and 9 volts both have an LC filter. Can run on 3S up to 6S. It has an MPU 6000 gyro, 4 UARTs, 200 amp current sensor, BetaFlight OSD, RSSI input, I2C for GPS. In the box we get the gorgeous looking flight controller board and all the mounting gear, nuts and bolts, anti-vibration gaskets, and we also get a 35 volt 470 microfarad capacitor there for a bit more voltage smoothing, and we get a wiring diagram as well which shows you all the connections. So looking at the board, there's the USB connection, there's the battery connections there, ESC power and signal connections, then different connections down here. SBUS is here. Let's flip the board over and show the other side. It's a really nice looking board. Current sensor resistor there. Little push button there to put it into boot mode, I think it is. Buzzer connection there. Camera connection there. Video transmitter through there. What I'm going to do now is power it up so we can see it working with the app. Alright, let's connect up some power. See how we go. Shows up in the device list, so let's tap to start. There we go, and there we are connected. Awesome. How cool is that? So what can we do? So there's the basic setup. Setup stuff there, port setup, configuration, all the usual stuff. I'm more used to iNav, but it's all very similar. Power and battery setup, PID tuning, receiver setup. There's your modes for setting arming, different modes, fail-safe, all that sort of stuff. On-screen display setup, and you can just drag things around. You can add elements, crosshairs, all that sort of stuff, position them whenever you want. This is really nice and easy. Motor testing and the command line interface, all the normal stuff you would expect when you connect it up to the laptop. That is very cool. As I said, I can't wait for this to be available for an aeroplane flight control board. I don't know if, I know this is a quad board, but it may possibly be able to be used on an aeroplane. I'm not too sure about that. This would make it very easy to set up in the field. So very cool, SpeedyBee. Love the idea. inbuilt Bluetooth makes tweaking in the field infinitely easier. Thanks for watching.